Now we can see how it's work with another software. For example, we can go obviously on custom, we can go here, or you can go here. Not want this folder. Okay, I want this folder. And for example, with Houdini, essentially you can create can fill everything. And you can say, for example, save, okay, custom, do it, you can see it's open Houdini. Essentially is go to the inspector of the version you have installed in your computer, it's check, and then it's create and run the last version you have installed, and that you can see create the file with the name in the same way.